Hi, this is Mr. Ng going over the AP Stats first semester performance task assessment, and you guys will be creating a survey video project. We'll be talking about chapter 4 here, and in statistics, how do we use that, and you guys can show me that through videos. We'll talk about in class when this project will be due, and you'll be doing this with a partner, which we'll be randomly selecting. Step number 1, you guys are going to create a purpose, and the great thing about it is you guys are going to create question, a focus question, and make some guesses, a hypothesis. You guys are going to design the study, conduct the study, collect the data, describe us the data, and make us some conclusions about it. You're doing it. Step 2, you guys will be focusing on which sampling method your group used or partners used. You guys will describe in detail how the sample was chosen, explain how you used randomness. You'll describe the population that the sample represents, and you should be planning to take a survey of about 40 people. Step number 3, in the data collection, you should be thinking about how you're going to design your survey. You should be focusing on these questions. Is the type of wording you're using? Is there 2 different ways you can word it and get different responses? How about the characteristics of the interviewer? Maybe how you say it. Will they be sensitive to those questions? Maybe if you give them an anonymous survey, does that change how people respond? Does the order of the questions affect their response? You'll talk about how you guys will collect that data. Again, randomness. How do you reduce biasm and variability and even confounding elements? Step 4, you guys are going to create some graphs there. Enough graphs to help communicate your ideas. Sometimes it's just boring to look at straight tables. Graphs should be neat, clearly labeled, easy to compare, computer generated. Appropriate use of summary statistics included. Step number 5, how about some conclusions? So what were conclusions or results from your surveys? Did you answer your focus question in the very beginning? What are some possible sources of biasm in there? How do these sources of biasm limit the validity of your conclusion? What did you do to reduce your those effects? You and your partner will create one capstone reflection between the 2 of you and include that in your video. And either the you can do a screenshot, you can type it up and put it in Google Doc, and then put it into the comment section of your YouTube video. Right here is a link to that. Step 7, you guys are going to record and edit. You guys are going to create a video, so I just press play and watch all the elements of your project in there. Make sure you guys don't go over 3 minutes. Highest one has lyrics or subtitles. You should have no wasted time in your videos. You can add bloopers to the end, another less than 30 seconds. It will be uploaded to YouTube, but make sure you can share it with me. Step 8, time period, date period, school, my name is Ring. You guys will turn in one of the scoring rubrics on the back, which I'm about to show you. On YouTube, I need to change that. You guys are going to put AP Stats 2016-17, Savannah High School, and Mr. Mathing. So that connects all my videos together. Here's an important part. Do not include your names on the video. You can make them up. Charlie Brown, Captain America. I'll know who you are. I'll show you guys how to train your projects. Ignore that part. Ignore that last 2 sentences. Step 9, I'm giving you guys extra credit. If you guys show me some Savannah pride in your videos and the I love math in a public place. Down here, this is how I'll be grading you overall in big picture schemes. Were you guys on time? If you're not on time, every 24 hours, you guys are going to lose 10% of your project. If you don't work with your partner, I hear you're not, you guys are going to lose some points. And out of the 100 points, we're going to talk about splitting that. So like I said, you guys are going to find some, to record your project to be a video, you're going to have to find something. You can use your phones. Be careful about testing the volume and video quality. You could make a Prezi or a PowerPoint and then record yourselves, and you might have to learn some quick editing, and then you'll upload that to YouTube. To split up your grades, it's a team grade, so out of 100 points, It's about being fair, so again, sorry, these should be out of 100. So for example, let's just say Margin Homer get 100 points and A on their project, and they can choose how to split up the 100 points, or in this case, 118 points, and they could split it evenly. But if you're in a situation where you feel that the person didn't do enough work, you guys both have to have an adult conversation and both decide fairly how to split up those points. For example, this one was 80 out of 120, and they split up the 40 points, that's 20/60. The most you can get on the project is 50 points. So it is possible if like you get like a 60 out of 100 and you split it 50 and 10, you both have to agree to that. One of the main ideas of this project is learning how to network with someone. So you guys had to, your names were picked randomly, so there's some kind of agreement, where a common place to work, meeting some deadlines you guys have set for yourselves. So this is the back side of your project paper. This is a scoring rubric. This is how I will be grading your project. I got to check these multipliers. By the time I print, they'll work, but I'll give you an idea. So the purpose, the multiplier 1 times 4 is that means the step 1 is only worth 4 points out of 100. So pay attention as the multipliers go up. That'll be a more important part. Very clear, concise, complete purpose of what you guys are trying to survey, and your focus questions. Describing, remember, in context will be the big idea here. Describing your sampling methods, data collection, appropriate randomness, how did you guys reduce biasm, variability, and confounding, like we talked about previously, using the graphs, the summary statistics, make sure you're labeling, it's neat, it's organized. The conclusions, so higher multiplier, so 4 times this column was 4 points, that'll be 16, so 16 points out of 100, or 16% of your project comes from your conclusion. You guys will create a capstone reflection. It might be new to you, but you're going to be uploading and putting this on YouTube. Project details and the extra credit as well. Looking forward to looking at your projects. Excited to see what you guys come up with. Have a great day.